What if I told you that saving $10,000 in just 6 months is possible, without getting a raise, working overtime, or starting a side hustle? Most people think you need to make more money to save more money, but that's not true. I tried a simple strategy that completely changed the way I save, and today, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step, so you can do the same. You might be making one big mistake that's keeping you broke. Let's fix that right now. The broke mindset that keeps you stuck. I used to be terrible at saving. Every month, I'd tell myself, this time I'll save more. But guess what? My bank balance never seemed to grow. Why? Because I was doing what most people do, saving whatever was left over at the end of the month, which was usually nothing. Sound familiar? If you wait until the end of the month to save, it's already too late. Even billionaires like Warren Buffett say, do not save what is left after spending. Instead, spend what is left after saving. And that changed everything for me. The reverse budgeting trick. Here's the game changer. It's called reverse budgeting. Instead of spending first and saving last, I flipped the script. The moment I got paid, I automatically transferred a chunk of my income into savings, before touching a single dollar. I started small, just 10% of my paycheck. But over time, I pushed it to 20%. Since the money was out of sight, I didn't feel tempted to spend it. I automated the whole process using my bank's auto transfer feature. No thinking, no willpower, just automatic saving, cutting invisible expenses without feeling broke. Next, I found ways to save without changing my lifestyle. I did this by cutting invisible expenses, small leaks that drain your money without you noticing. Unused subscriptions, those small charges add up. A $9.99 or $14.99 subscription might seem harmless, but over time, they drain your budget. Audit your subscriptions and cancel the ones you don't use. Expensive coffee runs, a $5 coffee every day, that's $150 a month. Brewing at home can save you hundreds per year while still letting you enjoy your caffeine fix. Impulse Amazon purchases. That must-have gadget or random item may seem like a good idea in the moment, but ask yourself, do I really need this? Waiting 24 hours before making a purchase can help curb unnecessary spending. I used an app like Rocket Money or manually checked my bank statement to cancel unnecessary subscriptions. Then I started making coffee at home and saved $120 a month. And finally, I added a 24-hour rule before any big purchase. This alone stopped me from wasting hundreds. The Cash-Only Weekend Challenge. One of the most powerful tricks I used, the Cash-Only Weekend Challenge. Every Friday, I took out $100 in cash and promised myself, this is all I can spend until Monday. When you physically see money leaving your hands, you start questioning every purchase. This little challenge trained my brain to stop mindless spending. And over time, that extra money piled up fast. So after 6 months of doing this, boom, I had saved $10,000. No extra income, no extreme frugality, just smart, simple tweaks. If I can do it, you can too. Just start small. Set up auto transfers, cut tiny expenses, and challenge yourself to spend consciously. Now, I want to hear from you. What's one spending habit you need to fix? Drop a comment below. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Let's grow our wealth together.